going to feed the birds. I don't feed the birds every day. That would be too expensive, especially as what we're feeding mainly is sparrows. Ignore the mess in here. So the red colour of this seed is because I've soaked it in hot pepper sauce to keep the squirrels off, and it works. They try it, but they have to go straight to the pond for a drink because they don't like the heat. It doesn't bother the birds, and it has stopped the squirrels from jumping on our feeders and eating all the food. Alright. We've got two main feeders, this one and these over here. And because we planted this tree and the tree grew, the squirrels can jump from the tree to both feeders. There we go. A bit late in the day for feeding them, which is why it's so quiet. Usually I do this first thing in the morning. And it's almost afternoon, so the birds aren't around. But they will be. Oops. Still frozen. There are the fish. The algae started to grow. There's my helper. So next I'm going to cut down this clematis. I've done the one there on that arbor. I've got this arbor to do, that arbor to do, and this one. And I've been taking my time because, as you can see on this one here, it's kind of stark. And what I'm doing, I'm not throwing it away. I'm putting it back in the beds. You can see I haven't cleaned the beds yet. I'm leaving this to the last possible moment because I don't want to disturb all of the good bugs in there. So, let's make a start. So, as I said in a previous video, this is one season's worth of growth, and these two plants, we have one on either side of the arbor. We're new this year. I did really want to grow roses up this arbor, and we planted them. Planted Zephirine Drouhin, which is an almost thornless rose, a climber that grows really fast. We have it on arbors down there, beautiful rose. Anyhow, I planted one on either side, and the problem with them being nearly thornless is that rabbits can eat them. So we lost them. The rabbits just ate them completely down. They were completely gone. I even put netting around it, but it was too wire netting around it, but it was too late. We lost those roses, so I gave up and put summer snow clematis on this arbour, which does a great job of covering an area pretty fast. So, thanks for joining me in the garden today. I'll see you next time.